Hey everybody, this is Sean Bradley again. I've done some videos on a table that I made. This is for the bench, the matching bench that I'm going to be making for it. And so I'm starting out with a sketch or a scale drawing. You can see I got two drawings here. This one here was the first one I did, and I didn't really care for it. I didn't like the way the intersection was above center like that, so I tried it again. I moved the legs out a little bit up top, and I believe I changed the dimensions a little bit as far as the width of the pieces, and I came up with this, which I like a lot better. Kind of matches the table. So we basically have a 17-inch wide bench. I use the 1.5 inches to the foot scale, so that every 1/8 inch is equal to 1 inch. So if we start here, we can see that that is 17 inches wide. And it is 17 inches tall. And we have 3 inches here. And we have 2 inches here. And that gives us a leg length of roughly close to 19.5 inches. So I glued up some 8/4 stock to make these legs out of. Again, it's 8/4 Limba. And while that's setting up, I made a pattern or a template here, which I'm going to cut out. So what we have here is the top of the leg right here, which is 3 inches. I pulled the angle off of the plan. I had my sliding bevel here somewhere. I must have put it over at the table saw or something. Anyhow, so I struck my angle here, and then because this piece is still parallel, I was able to take the same angle and come from the opposite edge to strike that angle. And then just measured over the 3 inches across the top of the leg, 2 inches across the bottom of the leg, and struck the corresponding line with a straight edge. That gives me the taper on my leg. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut that template out and true it up a bit, and then we'll use that to lay out the rough stock for cutting the legs out on the bandsaw.